morning, children. My name is P. Samira, working as a math CRT in KGBV, Saravkota, Srikakulam district. Introduction. We start learning numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. for counting object surrounding us. These numbers are called counting numbers or natural numbers. Natural numbers is denoted by capital N. The set form natural numbers is equal to capital N is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. Okay. I will ask some questions. Okay. Which is the smallest natural number? Okay. 1 is the smallest natural number. Why? Starting with 1. Natural number 1, 2, 3 to starting with 1. Next, by including 0 to the collection of the natural numbers are called whole numbers. 0 natural number की 0 యాడ్ చేస్తే అవి whole numbers అవుతాయి. It is represented by capital W. The set form W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. up to so on. Okay. Now I will ask one question. Which is the greatest whole number? Whole numbers లో ఏది పెద్ద సంఖ్య? మనము undefined. Okay. In that previous class 6th and 7th we learnt about negative numbers. Negative numbers, it is -1, -2, -3, -4, -6, etc. up to so on. Next, we take negative numbers and whole numbers are called integers. Negative numbers and whole numbers are called integer. It is represented by I or Z. Capital I or capital Z. Integer set form of -4, so on, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to so on. We know that fractions and decimals. We know that fractions and decimals. Fraction numbers means 5/2, 7/3, 6/2, 1/2, etc. 2/5, 3/4, 5/6, 8/4, etc. Next, decimal forms 0.25, 1.3, 2.5, 7.23, etc. Observe these numbers. Such type of numbers are called rational numbers. Today we start a new chapter, rational numbers. Rational numbers definition చూద్దాం. The number which are expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 are called rational number. The number which are expressed in the form of P by Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. It is represented by Q, capital Q. These are called quotient numbers. Okay. అబ్జర్వ్ చేద్దాం, కొన్ని నెంబర్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేద్దాం. వీ కెన్ expressed any natural numbers. We can express any natural numbers. Example 5. Write as 5 by 1 or 10 by 2 or 20 by 4, etc. Next, we can express any whole numbers. We can express any whole numbers. Example 0, write as 0 by 1 or 0 by 2 or 0 by 3 or 0 5, etc. Similarly, we can express the integers. Similarly, we can express the integers. Example -2 as -2 by 1 or -4 by 2 or -6 by 3, etc. From the above observation, we can include that all natural numbers, all whole numbers, and all integers are also rational numbers. From the above observation, we can include that all natural numbers, all whole numbers, all integers are also rational numbers. We have already learnt basic operations on rational numbers in earlier classes. Okay, which properties? Now we will discuss about properties of rational numbers. Today we will discuss about properties of rational numbers. Properties, one is closure property, second one is commutative property, third one associative property, fourth one identity, inverse, distributive of multiplication of our addition. ఈ ప్రాపర్టీస్లో ఫస్ట్ వన్ క్లోజర్ ప్రాపర్టీ. ఫస్ట్ వన్ క్లోజర్ ప్రాపర్టీ. If the sum of two whole numbers is also whole numbers, then we say that the set of whole numbers satisfy closure property under addition. Let us recall that the operation under which the whole numbers and integers are closed. Now రేషనల్ నెంబర్ క్లోజర్ ప్రాపర్టీ సాటిస్ఫై అవుతుందో లేదో చెక్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ బైనరీ ఆపరేషన్స్ ఫర్ 4 ఫండమెంటల్ బైనరీ ఆపరేషన్స్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ ఇంటూ డివైడెడ్ బై. చెక్ ఈ 4 యూజింగ్ దీస్ 4 operations satisfying the closure property or not. Now discuss. First one, addition. Consider two rational numbers 5 by 2 or 3 by 5. Okay, we have add these two numbers 5 by 2 plus 3 by 5. LCM of two irrational numbers. 5 into LCM of 5 into 2, 5 comma 2 is equal to 10. Reciprocal cross multiplication 5 5 is 25 plus 3 2 is 6. 25 plus 6 by 10 is equal to 31 by 10. 31 by 10 is also rational numbers. We observe consider two rational sum of two rational numbers is also rational number. If the sum of two rational numbers is also rational number. Okay, next example observe. 8 plus minus 19 by 2 is equal to dash. Is it a rational number? Check them. Okay na? Okay. We can observe that sum of two rational numbers is also rational number. We say that the set of rational numbers satisfy closure property and under addition. For any two rational numbers a comma b, then a plus b is also rational number. For any two rational numbers a comma b, then a plus b is also rational number. Symbolic form for a comma b belongs to q, comma a plus b belongs to q. Next operation, subtraction. Now same numbers are the. Now consider two rational numbers 5 by 2 comma 7 by 5. Then subtract two rational numbers 5 by 2 minus 7 by 5 is equal to 5 by 2 minus 7 by 5 subtraction. Subtraction from 5 by 2 minus 7 by 5. It becomes 25 minus 14 by 10. It will be 11 by 10. 11 by, again we get rational numbers 11 by 10. Okay, subtract to two rational number is also again the result is rational number. Okay, we can observe that subtraction of two rational numbers is also rational number. We can say that the set of rational numbers satisfy closure property under subtraction. We say that the set of rational number satisfy closure property under subtraction. Symbolic form for a comma b belongs to q, comma a minus b belongs to q. Okay. Next operation, multiplication. Now consider two rational numbers. Okay, observe the following numbers. Okay, 7 by 5 into 3 by 5 is equal to 21 by 25. 7 by 3 into 6 by 5 is equal to 42 by 15. 7 by 5 into 3 by 5 is equal to numerator multiplication of numerator, multiplication of denominators, multiplication, fraction multiplication, multiplication of numerator by multiplication of denominator. 7 3s are 21, 5 5s are 25, 21 by 25. 7 by 3 into 6 by 5, numerator multiplication by denominator multiplication. 46 7s are 42, 3 5s are 15. Okay, 21 by 25 is a rational number, 42 by 15 is also rational number. We can notice that in all the cases the product of two rational numbers is also rational number. The product of two rational numbers is also rational number. The rational numbers are closed under multiplication. For statement, for any two rational numbers a comma b, then a into b is also rational number. For any two rational numbers a and b, a into b is also rational number. It is for all a comma b belongs to q, then a into b belongs to q. Next operation, division. Consider two rational numbers 2 by 3 and 7 by 8. Now add division 2 by 3 divided by 7 by 8. 2 by 3 is divided by 7 by 8 is equal to 2 by 3 డివిజన్ అనేది మల్టిప్లికేషన్ మార్చేటప్పుడు ఆ రెండు ప్రొడక్ట్ రెసిప్రోకల్స్ అవుతుంది. 2/3 ఇంటూ 7/8 రెసిప్రోకల్స్ ఆఫ్ 7/3 ఈజ్ 8/7. 2/3 ఇంటూ 8/7 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 8 2 is 16 by 7 3 is 21. Multiplication of numerator by multiplication of denominator. Okay, 16 by 21 is also rational numbers. Now another example, 5 divided by 0. 5 divided by 0 is a not defined. Anything divided by 0 is not defined. So the second observation లో not division అనేది not satisfy. ఫస్ట్ సందర్భంలో డివిజన్ అనేది సాటిస్ఫై అవుతుంది, క్లోజర్ ప్రాపర్టీ. ఓకే, సో ద డివిజన్ ఆఫ్ టూ రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ మే ఆర్ మే నాట్ రేషనల్ numbers. We say that the set of rational numbers satisfy not closed under addition, not closed under division. Okay, division or not satisfy closure property. Division or not satisfy closure property. Okay, conclusion. Okay, addition ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. Addition, subtraction, multiplication or satisfy closure property, not satisfy the division. Okay, second property, commutative property. Commutative property states that change into order of two numbers. Commutative property states that changes into order of two numbers. First, 4 binary operation. Four fundamental operation plus minus into divided by, using these operators satisfy the commutative property or not. First one, addition. Take two rational numbers 5/2 and minus 5/2 and minus 3/4. Add these two rational numbers. Now let us calculate 5/2 plus minus 3/4. It becomes 10 minus 3/4 is equal to 7/4. Now change into order. Minus 3/4 plus 5/2 is equal to minus 3 plus 10/4 is equal to 7/4. First order is answer is 7/4. Next order is result is 7/4. Both results are same. 7/4 ఇక్కడ కూడా 7/4. Both results are same. Then two orders is equal to same. Then 5/2 plus minus 3/4 is equal to minus 3/4 plus 5/2. Therefore addition is a commutative property. Addition is a commutative property. We can say that a plus b is equal to b plus a for any a comma b belongs to q. For all symbolic form, for a comma b belongs to q, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Next, second one is subtraction. Next one is subtraction. Take two rational numbers 5 by 2, comma minus 3 by 4. Okay na? Same. The order change. 5 by 2 minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus into minus plus. Okay? Plus 10 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 13 by 4. The order change. Minus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 minus 10 by 4 is equal to the minus 13 by 4. Both results are not same. First order is 13 by 4, second minus 3 by 4. Both results are not same. So subtraction is not commutative. We can say that subtraction is not commutative. Therefore, a minus b not equal to b minus a. A minus b not equal to b minus a. For any two rational numbers a and b, subtraction is not commutative. A minus b not equal to b minus a. A comma b are rational numbers. Next operation, multiplication. 5 by 2 comma minus 3 by 4. Consider two rational numbers 5 by 2 into minus 3 by 4 is equal to multiplication of two rational numbers, numerator multiplication by denominator multiplication. 5 3 is a minus 15 by 4 2 is a 8. Order change minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 2, numerator by multiplication by denominator multiplication. Minus 3 into 5 minus 15. 4 into 2 8 minus 15 by 8. The results, both results are same. Okay, minus 15 by 8 same, minus 15 by 8. So 5 by 2 into minus 3 by is equal to minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 2. Okay, multiplication is a commutative. Okay na? Multiplication is commutative. A into b is equal to b into a. For a comma b belongs to q. It is symbolic form. For a comma b belongs to q, then a into b is equal to b into a. Next operation, division. Now take two rational numbers, same numbers 5 by 2 and minus 3 by 4. Okay, ఇక్కడ same 5 by 2 divided by minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 2 into minus 4 by 3. ఇక్కడ డివైడెడ్ బై పోయి ఇంటూలో మార్చితే మైనస్ 3 by 4 అనేది రెసిప్రోకల్స్ అవుతుంది. 5 by 2 ఇంటూ minus 3 by minus 4 by 3. ఇక్కడ నోమినేటర్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ బై డినోమినేటర్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్. 5 4s are 20 minus 20 by 6 Next, minus 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. Minus 3 by 4 divided by అనేది ఇంటూ అవ్వాలంటే మైనస్ 3/4 ఇంటూ 5/2 అనేది రెసిప్రోకల్స్ ఆఫ్ 5/2 ఈజ్ 2/5. minus 3/4 ఇంటూ 2/5 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు minus 6/20. Okay, these two results, both results are not same. Okay na? Okay, minus 20/6 minus 6/20. Okay, both results are not same. Okay, division is not a commutative. Okay, division is not a commutative. ఈ ప్రాపర్టీలో డివిజన్ అనే ఎడిషన్ అండ్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ సాటిస్ఫై కాంపిటేటివ్ ప్రాపర్టీ. ఓకే, డివిజన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ప్రాపర్టీ. A divided by not equal to B divided by A. ఓకే, ఈ కాంపిటేటివ్ ప్రాపర్టీ అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ ఎడిషన్ అండ్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ సాటిస్ఫై కాంపిటేటివ్ ప్రాపర్టీ. subtraction and division is not satisfy commutative property. Conclusion, we say that the rational numbers satisfy closure property under addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, we can conclude, we say that the rational numbers satisfy closure property under addition, subtraction and multiplication. Next, closure property. Next property, commutative. We can say that rational numbers satisfy commutative property under addition and multiplication, not satisfy with subtraction and division. Next, okay, ఈ two properties will be discussion. నెక్స్ట్ మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే అసైన్మెంట్ చూడండి. అసైన్మెంట్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, 2 questions ఇస్తాను, ఒకసారి మీరు చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, కన్సిడర్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్స్. Consider the following collection of numbers 1, 1/2, -2, 0.5, minus 33/7, 0, 4/7, 0.3, 22, -5, -2/19, 0.125. Write these numbers under the appropriate category. First one, natural numbers, B whole numbers, C integers, rational numbers. మనకు కొన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చాను, ఆ నెంబర్స్ ఏవి న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్ ఏవో రాయాలి, హోల్ నెంబర్స్ ఏవి రాయాలి, ఇంటీజర్స్ ఏటవుతాయి రాయాలి, రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ ఏమవుతాయి రాయండి. రాసిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ ఒకటి ఇచ్చాను చూడండి. ఈజ్ ఎవ్రీ న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్, హోల్ నెంబర్స్ అండ్ ఇంటీజర్ rational number? Is every natural numbers, whole number and integers a rational number? Second question, is 1/2 plus 5/7 is equal to 5/7 plus 1/2? Question mark. ఇది మీరు చెక్ చేసేసి ఆ రెండు ఈక్వల్ అవుతుందో లేదో చెక్ చేసి మీరు నోట్స్లో రాసి ఉంచండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్.